These air conditioners are made in Mexico by Nortec Global HVAC for R.E. Michel Company, which is a wholesale distributor. The VP7RE units have all aluminum microchannel coils that resist corrosion, but they use a wire grill with a plastic mesh screen to protect the condenser coil. That does not do very much to protect the coil fins from mechanical damage due to hail or debris from lawnmowers. The units are designed for slab mounting with horizontal air discharge and have a 14 SEER efficiency with optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts to provide central heating. They have installed filter dryers to protect the refrigerant system from the effects of moisture and variable speed blower motors for enhanced comfort with less noise. Their warranty is not as good as some of the other brands, but it does have a 1-year unit replacement guarantee in the event of a compressor failure. The units are only available through a limited network of dealers in the USA, and the brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.